Hello, Mainville Minions! How's everybody doing today? Today, we bought a bunch of groceries, and I'm going to catch on to this little trend that's going on YouTube here. It's called speed cleaning your house or speed cleaning something. What the even heck? Who cares? Who wants to watch speed cleaning? Some of you do, I guess. So today, for a quick video, we are going to do speed cleaning the refrigerator. How about that? In real life, it's not going to be speed cleaning. It's probably going to be like an hour or 2 hours. But I'm going to go as fast as possible so I'm not like messing food up and hurting food. But all this I already cleaned out of my cabinet. I'm going to have to move it over so I can put refrigerated and freezer stuff here. And I've got a lot of groceries to put away, so let's get to it. Welcome to MomsVlog80 refrigerator speed cleaning and packing from grocery shopping. So now, if you don't mind, I'm going to have a little bit of crab salad while I say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, and we'll see you guys all for another vlog. Love you. Ciao. Bye.